Now, if you say that why have the festival on Sunday? So we only end it up to Saturday. What about the adherents of Seventh-day Adventists? They'll say, why have it on Saturday? It's holy for us. And if you have it on Friday, Muslims will object. It's holy for us. Then how do you run a state in that manner?
Hakajiwan jong modi gading ski Sunday bait hapok jong ke jela gading samanta sa gading ciri bersam Sunday kin penkot. Ikwa ban penduk jat ngoi kata jinglong Kristen ke jungi. Ni Kristen gidon nak cok hong. Gidon nak cok menong rim. Hindrai Hindumlah ban ong tu bolong Hindu bolong Muslim kata rala ke jong. Gidon ala ke jungi jatnyam. Hindrai buram lem ya kata ka jinglong Kristen ke jungi. Ka hap hapok jong ini garis kasih jenja ke jungi.
The problem here is that there are sections of people who think that they are more intelligent than the people that they have elected. In that case, why elect us? Why don't they take over the government? You have a cabinet, you have a government that has been elected by the mandate of those people. As soon as you cast your vote, you think that you're more intelligent, you're wiser, you have more foresight, you have more vision than the leaders that you have elected. That itself is ironical.
Hadin ke bagi ladat ban bu ya ka open main latar menin kesni. Ban amang lapo yang ne pate hadin ba so bagi roh ne kai ke bami kelong ba tikli pen ban kai ka jipu ke juki ke ba kwa ban penduk ya iba polen do. Kata kami nak kitin no pie jong ba pol. Kadi kelong besno thamula hadu kata atar. Namar bani ni kindat sini gini banai ki beladak no. Iwan penduk yang misal pada pej ka power. Ba 80 mandal. Ye, ada mengilabu open yang antar kamu kono ka jing tuklar banong bagi keren di kamayo. Nilai yang tu syurak itu resep kopi. Nak kalian PA jong iba mandal ila ong barung support. Ndan kono ka jing objection. Ndre ka basul ngok pada kalong ni kapan bitar memandingi ba we PA jong ba pol. Uang ba amda apa militar pin nomlak bandrong. Bat ukenok pan dekitin kiba melak bandong uang ni kawan ka kol. Kabalong ba ana ba nakaliang katini la de ki kami di rumah minum yo sebadong support. Teknik kadon ke surrender ka plan dia ka ba kila kili lupai ba nak ka daw ka bangi wan ba ni kudu. Ski Sunday ni tip ba borok ngiyok ban chong khai ngiyok ban cuti ban ngiyok ban let haki jakam maneble ke juni. Tenrai kene galong perban ka jing yuroi ya kata ka imlang ka salang ke juni. Hakaba kila penong perban ya kata ka jingele kai tamasai ke jing sumha hakata sini ulero. Hang te gidon sipon ki mane ki bobon ki bolong Kristen. Tenrai ba borok khoi jong gari ka partai gitip ni ba Sunday gade kata ka sini ka bakerpang. Hendrai balik iwan ban yurai ni keciri busam ro kan long nanti pok manam kurkalang apa Riboy district apa ka Umrah constituency. De ni kane ka message kan le sha ubak polling do bat kan le sha chemistro jong ka Meghalaya kontrak sama. Ya ka ba larat ude ukwa ban ba ude ban pasange no khak khnai tarik ba ude ban rak no shoi ka tarik. Balada ukwa ban don gaji klumar tengi long ki blaradi ban ngilong ki blakre hero. Ban nakaliang gaji hinom ailat ba khak khnai tarik khat khnai tarik. Bagati kata masa kan kut hakate ka jaka ka jungi hate namar ngi nang long ki Kristen ban alat le mingi bakum ki Kristen ro ngindon lang yala ka jong ka hok yala ka jong kata ka riti ka dustur ka jungi